Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you're someone looking for ways to make passive income online, or maybe you've heard about affiliate marketing but aren't sure how to start, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down the exact AI tools that can help generate passive income with affiliate links. These tools aren't just trendy, they actually automate tasks, save time and help build income streams that continue working long after you've done the initial work. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip on how to connect these tools into one seamless system that practically runs itself. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is passive income with affiliate links? Before we get into the tools, let's quickly break down what passive income through affiliate links really means. Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You promote products or services using a unique referral link. Whenever someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Now here's where it gets exciting. Passive income happens when you create content like blog posts, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or Pinterest pins that stays online and keeps getting views over time. Every time someone discovers your content and clicks your link, you have the chance to earn whether you're working, relaxing, or even sleeping. But here's the challenge: consistently creating high-quality content, managing multiple links, writing descriptions, making visuals. It can get overwhelming fast. That's why I love using AI tools. They automate repetitive tasks, speed up content creation, and make it easier to focus on building income streams. Now let's look at the AI tools that make all this possible. Section 2. AI tool. 1. Jasper AI copywriting tool. The first AI tool on the list is Jasper AI, a powerful AI writing assistant. If you've ever struggled with writer's block or spent hours crafting blog posts, product reviews, or email campaigns, Jasper is a lifesaver. Here's how it helps. You can generate full blog posts by just entering a few keywords or prompts. It can write product reviews, listicles, social media captions, email sequences, and even add copy. For example, let's say you're promoting a fitness supplement. Instead of spending hours writing a detailed blog post, Jasper lets you input the product name, benefits, target audience, and key features. Within minutes, it generates a polished draft. All you need to do is fine-tune it, add your affiliate link, and publish. This doesn't just save time, it allows you to publish more content, more frequently, and the more quality content you have out there, the higher the chance of earning commissions on autopilot. Plus, Jasper has templates for different types of content, whether it's a product review, a how-to guide, or an email funnel. It's like having a virtual writing team at your fingertips. Section 3. AI tool. 2. Canva AI-powered design. Next up is Canva, a design tool that's even more powerful thanks to its AI features like Magic Write, background remover, and smart resizing. Why is this tool essential? Because visuals matter a lot. People are more likely to click on posts or pins that are visually appealing. Canva makes it easy to create professional-looking graphics, even if you're not a designer. Here's how Canva helps in affiliate marketing. Design Pinterest pins, Instagram posts, and YouTube thumbnails that drive clicks. Use Magic Write to generate catchy headlines or captions for your designs. Automatically resize a graphic for different platforms with one click. For example, if you publish a blog post about 5 best home workout gadgets with affiliate links, Canva lets you create multiple pins or graphics that each link back to the post. One pin might highlight the top gadget, another pin might tease a question like which gadget burns more calories. Each graphic becomes a new traffic source, and more traffic equals more opportunities for affiliate commissions. Canva also allows bulk creation of designs, so you can plan a month's worth of Pinterest pins or Instagram posts in one sitting, helping you stay consistent without burning out. Section 4. AI tool. 3. ChatGPT content ideas and writing support. Of course, ChatGPT is one of the most valuable AI tools in the toolkit. If you've ever felt stuck on what to write, what to post, or how to explain something clearly, ChatGPT is like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. Here's how ChatGPT supports affiliate marketing, generates blog post outlines in seconds, suggests content ideas based on keywords or trends, writes answers to frequently asked questions, writes answers to frequently asked questions, writes new captions, video scripts, and product descriptions. Let's say you're promoting a skincare product for people in their 30s. You can ask ChatGPT, what are common skincare concerns for people in their 30s? It might generate answers like fine lines, dryness, and loss of elasticity, along with tips on how to address them. Now you have the foundation for a helpful blog post or video script. Add in your affiliate product recommendations, insert your links, and you've created a piece of content that speaks directly directly to your audience's needs. Plus, ChatGPT can help refine headlines, test different calls to action, and even translate content for different audiences. It truly speeds up the creative process. Section 5. AI Tool #4. Pictory Video Creation. The fourth tool is Pictory, an AI video creation platform that turns text into videos automatically. This is perfect for anyone who wants to make video content without showing their face or spending hours learning complicated editing software. Here's how it works. Paste your blog post or script into Pictory. The AI selects relevant video clips, adds subtitles, transitions, and background music. You can edit or swap footage as needed, then export your finished video. Imagine turning every blog post you publish into a YouTube video without recording a single frame of video yourself. This lets you reach new audiences on YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and more, driving more traffic back to your affiliate content. Even better, you can clip shorter segments from your long video and repurpose them into shorts or stories, multiplying your content output from a single piece. Section 6. AI Tool #5. Bitly, Link Tracking and Optimization. Finally, let's talk about Bitly, an AI-powered link management tool. When promoting affiliate products, it's not enough to just share links. You need to know what's working and what's not. Bitly helps by tracking every click, showing how many clicks each link received, which countries or regions clicks came from, which platforms or posts drove the most traffic. For example, you might discover that Pinterest is driving 70% of your traffic while Instagram only brings 10%. This insight helps you double down on what's working, saving time and energy. Bitly also lets you customize your links with branded short links, making them look cleaner and more trustworthy, especially important if you're sharing links on social media or inside YouTube descriptions. Bonus tip: automate everything. Here's a bonus strategy that ties it all together: automation. Using tools like Zapier or Make.com, you can connect all these platforms to create seamless workflows. Automatically post new blog articles to social media the moment they're published. Send an email campaign to subscribers when a new review is live. Get daily or weekly reports summarizing link clicks, traffic, and conversions without logging in manually. Automation turns affiliate marketing into a true passive system, reducing manual tasks while keeping your content and promotions active 24/7. And there you have it, the AI tools that help build passive income through affiliate links. Jasper AI for creating content faster, Canva for professional visuals, ChatGPT for brainstorming and writing support, Pictory for turning text into videos, Bitly for tracking and optimizing your links. Combine them with automation and you've got a system that works around the clock, building traffic, clicks, and commissions over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss new content. And let me know in the comments, what AI tool are you excited to try, or is there one you're already using? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.